Okay, so I've got my requirements set up and I've sorted them between required and optional. I want a semi-sturdy box frame, so I got option of some thin wood. I was thinking about balsa, but maybe that's too thin, maybe some plastic. I'm about to head to Home Depot and figure out what I actually want. I need at least 2 platforms on it, probably half the size, or maybe 1 3/4 and 1 1/4 the size of the depth. One to act as a platform for the switch to receive the pacifier and the weight. One to act as a dropping platform to drop down after a motor spins and pulls a latch pin that keeps it up. I'm probably going to get this video pulled because I hear Disney music in the background because my son's watching Lion King. I have a method of accepting the payment ID, which is I was thinking about a force-sensitive resistor, but that's going to be more of an advanced solution, so that's like one of the optional things over there, way to identify fraudulent pacifiers. It's one of the reasons I didn't go with it, but a foil switch with some paper or cardboard in between, keeping it on there, probably work just to sense some sort of tiny load and complete the circuit. Should work just fine. Way to open and load the patch, open and load the snacks, just like again, like I was saying, a half size or a 3/4 size panel to open up and put a new package of animal crackers in there. I want a see-through front just so it mimics that kind of vending machine feel. I'll probably paint it too as long as I have time, because I have a bunch of acrylic paint from making masks with Warblow Wonder Foam type stuff. And on the line, which I've conveniently used the actual line of my table, I want it kind of be machined well to secure the payment, so maybe I'll cut the hole more shaped like a pacifier hole so that everything can't go in. And I will also want maybe a button to release the sensitive trigger or whatever. So right now I kind of have a tentative wiring diagram here. It's very roughed up, but a battery, a trigger, which has a pressure switch for the pacifier being on the weighted mechanism, and then a pressure switch for as long as the tray is in the up position. That way, once I start spinning the motor to release the pin, it doesn't keep spinning after the pin's released. So once that tray drops, it should disconnect the circuit. And the circuit will only be active when it needs to be. It also lets it be a dumb circuit, so I can kind of stay in the spirit of the project. And I am also able to add just another switch in there if I need to. So I have a bunch of arcade buttons which I can use to make it act kind of more like a vending machine if I want to put a button on it. But that's just if I have time, and it's super simple.